Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make clear formatting the table text in Google Docs. So let's started. At first open your Docs file. The Docs file is clear formatting table text is the select your table text. I am going to the more menu option and click for the clear formatting option. Then again another document, select your table text option and click for the more option and click for the clear formatting. Then we can see is the clear formatting is table text in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.